Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So, I welcome you in the session of class 4, subject English speaking. And today's our topic is frame a story. So, in this topic, you came to know about how to frame a story, and this is our lecture 1. So, let me tell you the contents related to this particular topic. So, the contents are, I am going to tell you how to develop a story from outlines, or you can say clue. And then you have to have a look on clues. I will show you the clues, so you have to look on the clues. So these are the contents which I am going to take in this particular lecture. Now let me tell you how to develop a story from outlines. Number 1 point. Read the outline of the story carefully and understand what the story is all about. So what you have to do, you have to read all the clues which are given to you. It may be pictures, or it may be phrases, or it may be few words. So you have to read the outlines, and then you have to understand that what the story is all about. Number 2, develop the points of the outline into complete sentences. You very well know that those outlines are not in the form of complete sentences, so you have to make sentences of your own. You have to frame or weave the sentences of your own. Now let's move to the next point. Now after that, follow the sequence in which the points are given. You have to follow the sequence of the clues given. Don't leave any part. There is no need to leave any part. If you leave the part, then there is something which is missed in the particular story. Every story have title. You have to take care that you have to mention the title of the story also. After that, you have to include details to make the story interesting. You can include some details from your side to make the story more interesting. I think you understood what do I want to say. Now, last but not the least, you have to take care that you have to write or weave the story in past tense. The story which you are going to frame, you have to weave the story in past tense. Whether the clues are given in present tense, you have to weave the story in past tense only. So these are the points which you have to take care. Now let me show you the clues of the story, one of the story. So clues of the story are: Vikram performs poorly in exam. His father is furious. Vikram feels terrible. Next day he visits school. Stand beside friends who had done well. Feels out of place in their company. Learns a lesson. These are the few clues which are given here, and with the help of these clues you have to frame a story. So from these clues you came to know that Vikram is an average student. He is not good in studies. His father was not happy with him. When after getting result, when he went to the school, when he stood with his friends, so his friends who had done well, he felt out of place in their company. That means he feels discomfort in their company. Or you can say he feels shame in their company. And therefore, he learned a lesson. And what is the lesson? The lesson is that practice makes a man perfect. So, this was the story which you can frame or which you can weave with the help of certain clues which are given to you. Let me show you the story which I have weaved or framed with the help of these clues. And in the same way, you have to weave a story and you have to try to tell the story in front of the class. So dear students, you have to weave the story of your own so that you can enhance your skill. In this manner, you will be able to speak well. Now, it's the time to show you the story which I have weave with the help of these particular clues. So here is the story. Vikram was the type of boy who always played even though his father said to study. He would say that I have studied. As usually, जैसा कि आप भी अपने पेरेंट्स से कहते हैं कि मैंने पढ़ लिया, ऐसा ही विक्रम करता था. He was the boy who used to play. Soon, Vikram's exam approached, in which he performed poorly, and his father was furious. जल्दी ही विक्रम के एग्जाम आ गए, in which he didn't perform well, and his father was upset for this. Vikram felt terrible. Next day, he visited school where he stood beside friends who had done well. He felt out of place in their company and therefore learnt an important lesson that practice makes a man perfect. So from this story you came to know that practice makes a man perfect. So dear students, it is for you also that you have to practice well so that you can score good marks. So dear student, please be prepared for the English class so that you will be able to frame the story with the help of clues. I think you understood how to weave a story. Thank you. Have a good day.